Hello, and welcome to the Road Ready Resource Hub, where we educate you on the different aspects of the Road Ready system. I'm excited to show you how to use the Idle Assets Report within the Fus1on user interface. The Idle Assets Report provides insights into assets that have remained idle beyond a specific period of time. Fleet managers can use this report to identify underutilized assets and take action to improve their fleet efficiency. Today, I'm going to show you how to create an idle assets report and download it so that you can review which of your trailers have been sitting idle and where those trailers are. After logging into the Fus1on user interface, you want to toggle from the dashboard view to the reports view. Once you go into the reports, go into the idle assets report right here and then press the arrow over on the right. On the next screen, you'll see drop-downs along the top rail where we'll have to select the parameters that will give you your report: location, target, assets, and the number of days that your assets have been idle. In our example, we're going to run a report to find all of our trailers within our trailer yard, which is in a geofence, that have sat idle for more than 5 days. So under the location drop-down, we are going to select inside geofence. Moving along to the target drop-down, we are going to select assets. Then under the assets or asset groups, in this example, we are going to select all because we want to see all of our trailers that have sat idle for more than 5 days. Next, we're going to select the number of days that we want to see the idle trailers for. Here, we're going to select 5 so that the report will show us trailers that have sat idle for 5 or more days. Now that we have all of our parameters selected, we're going to run the report. So press the Generate button. Now that the report has been generated, we're going to export this to an Excel file. In the Export button in the upper right, you can choose between a CSV file or an XLS file, whichever you prefer. Once your report is generated and downloaded, you'll have a detailed list of idle assets based on the selected criteria. With this insight, you can make data-driven decisions to optimize your fleet, such as right-sizing it by identifying underutilized assets. You can schedule this report daily or weekly to help you stay ahead of inefficiencies. And that's it. You now know how to create an idle assets report in the Fus1on user interface. If you find this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tutorials within the Road Ready Resource Hub, which you can find by scanning the QR code on the right of the screen. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our customer support team at techsupport@roadready.com or 877-537-3820. Thanks for watching.